सलावत। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल अंबिया वल मुरसलीन अबिल क़ासिम मुहम्मद व आलिहि तय्यबीन ताहिरीन अल मासूमीन। अम्मा बाद फ़क़द क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फ़ी क़ुरआनिल मजीद। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अल्लज़ी खलक़ल मौत वल हयाता लियब्लुवकुम अय्युकुम अहसनु अमला। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। सलावत। In the name of Almighty Allah, the Beneficent and the Merciful. Quran is defined by Quran. One ayat is clear here. Alif Lam Mim. This is the book. There is no doubt in it. A guidance to the path. Quran is defined by Quran. The month of Ramadan is one in which the Quran was set down as guidance to mankind, with manifest proofs of guidance and a criterion. Quran is defined by Quran. We send down in the Quran that which is a cure and mercy for the faithful. Quran is defined by Quran. Had we sent down this Quran upon a mountain, you would have seen it humbled and go to pieces with the fear of Almighty Allah. We draw such comparisons for mankind so that they may reflect. Quran is defined by Quran. When the Quran is recited, listen to it and be silent. Maybe you will receive Allah's mercy. Quran is defined by Quran. Indeed, this Quran guides to what is most upright and gives the good news to the faithful who do righteous deeds that there is a great reward for them. Quran is explained by Quran. Do they not think over? Do they not contemplate the Quran? Or are there locks on the heart? Quran is explained and defined by Quran. Certainly, we have made the Quran simple, easy, for the sake of admonishment, nasihat. So, is there anyone who will be admonished? तो क्या कोई नसीहत हासिल करने वाला है जो नसीहत हासिल करे? Thank Almighty Allah. Tonight is the last majlis. We are grateful to all of you for regularly attending the program. We started with welcoming the holy month of Ramadan. Then we tried to explain you, wouldn't you be happy if some big person may talk to you, if some king or president of a country may talk to you, how you would be happy? So wouldn't you like that the kings of kings, the creator of the universe, the creator of skies, moons, stars, fountain, mountains, the creator of seven Arab people may talk to you? Wouldn't you like? If you like, then open the book of Holy Quran, read it, try to understand it with translation and tafsir. You will feel as the creator of the universe is talking to you. And whenever you want to talk with your creator, just lay down musalla and start offering prayer. You will feel as if you are communicating to your Creator Almighty Allah. Then we traveled through, we talked about that how you can improve your manners. And we talked about that you are the winner if you increase one good habit and you have a control over bad habit. Then we came to the training of children. Train of children under the umbrella of Holy Quran, under the umbrella of Silai Rahmi, under the umbrella of being grateful. And yesterday we went up to training of children by explaining them and motivating them to memorize different du'as by heart. And now the coming days are full of du'as. Why? To get the freedom of hell, freedom from hell. You will be reciting inshallah Dua Mujir. Today, tomorrow, Ajirna minan nar ya Mujir. With every word, with every call of the Almighty Allah, what you say in the end, that, oh protector, protect us from fire. Then Sabha Qadar will come. Again you will be repeating. Can you repeat with me? After every dua, Subhanaka ya la ilaha illa Antal Ghaus al Ghaus Khallista minan nar ya. Again, freedom from hell. Freedom from hell. Lucky is those who get the holy month of Ramjan and he is forgiven. But unlucky is those who get the holy month of Ramjan but he is not forgiven. And then unless he may reach Arfa. And in Arfa also freedom from hell. Salam to Imam Hussain alayhi salam. Reciting Dua Arfa among the companions. The full mouth was filled with the tears. At the climax of Dua Arfa, Imam Hussain recited that, oh Almighty Allah, accept my one prayer. If you accept my one prayer, I will think that my all prayers has been accepted. And if you do not accept my that prayer, I will think that my no prayers has been accepted. What is that prayer? Freedom from hell. Again freedom from hell. This dua is so much like that the ulama has included that once you reach Makkah for Umrah or Hajj and you abruptly say, oh Almighty Allah, this is your house, this is your Makkah, this is your place. I have come as a beggar. Grant me something as a sadaqah. And then 3 times it has been repeated, Ilahi faqaka rakabati minan nar. Oh Almighty Allah, grant me freedom from hell. Oh Almighty Allah, grant me freedom from hell. Oh Almighty Allah, grant me freedom from hell. So with all this great intention, in the remaining time of the holy month, we will do our excellent best that we may acquire the freedom from hell. For all this good intention, kindly recite Salawat loudly. Now the time is passing very quickly, and tonight is going to be there 14th night. The dua is, खुदाया आज के दिन मेरी लफ्ज़ों को मुझसे माफ़ जाना कर और मेरी खताओं और गलतियों को के उजूर को कबल फरमा और मुझको बिला आफत के बला व आफत के तीर का निशाना न बनाना अपनी इज्जत के वास्ते से ए मुसलमानों को इज्जत देने वाले. This is a dua for the 14, and with all this good intention and with all the thanks to Maulana for giving us the guidance throughout these 14-15 days, and for the increase of the tawfiqat of Maulana, kindly recite Salawat loudly. And thank